Hey everyone, welcome to Citrus Games, where we bring you fresh, zesty ways to grow your mind and level up your financial life. It's 2025, the world is changing fast, and so are the ways to make money. So today I'm breaking down 5 of the best proven ways to make money fast this year. So let's learn real, sustainable, and doable, even if you're starting from zero. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and squeeze some financial juice out of 2025. So, let's begin with the first one, and personally, for me, it's the best one. Freelancing and AI assisted skills. Okay, how should I get this? We all know what freelancing is, We know about Upwork, we know about all those apps that we use. But first, when we talk about freelancing in 2025, we are going to introduce a twist. We are using AI tools to boost your output. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer are booming again, but the real winners are combining creativity with AI. Writers are using ChatGPT to draft faster. Designers are using Midjourney for ideas. Marketers are using automation tools to deliver more clients. Prefer the social media management, copywriting, analysis or design. Now use AI as your homework. So let me just give you a tip. Me personally, I used to make and freelancing back in the day. First of all, you pick a one niche, you build a certain profile, and then your first few gigs are slightly lower rate. Don't put a lot of money into it, don't put a lot of cost. Just a slow rate. Once you have reviews, your income can scale fast. I'm talking about $500 a month within the past 2 to 3 months if you stay consistent. Me personally, also making 10,000 a month. If you stay consistent, you can do this. The next one, and I will argue it's also one of the best, is content creation and YouTube automation. Okay, this is very, content creation, especially YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face anymore to make money online, You should try this idea of faceless YouTube channels. Things like finance, tech explainers, motivational stories, educational shows. These things are people were doing it faceless and they're making cash. Use AI voiceover, loyalty aggregates, editing tools like CapCut, Pictorial script for automate most of the process. Me personally, for this video, I use CapCut. I'm not lying, I'm using my own voice, but I use CapCut for this video. Once monetized, you can earn from ads, sponsors, and affiliate links. The key though is consistency. Upload around 3 days a week. Study what performs and double down, We give you a tip and call it citrus tip. You should combine viral topics with your niche. For example, AI tools that save you $500 a month, or how Gen Z is building what differently in 2025. There's just some titles that you can use for your videos. Another that I feel is one of the best is digital products and e-courses. What really is one that exploded in 2024. This one we're using digital product and it's only getting bigger. You don't need to be an expert, just maybe a few steps ahead of someone else. You can, for example, sell budget planners or templates on Etsy. You can sell ebooks on Amazon KDP. You can sell mini courses on Fortnite, you can upload for teacher. For example, if you're good at saving money or meal planning, send your tips between 20 days guide and sell it for $10. You can sell other copies and sell it $1,000, So let me give you another tip. Call it citrus tip. Use AI to design your product faster, but make sure it's personalized. People will trust and clarity, not just information. On number 4, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing through short form videos. You've got a phone and internet, this one's for you. Brands are paying creators to promote things on TikTok and Instagram Reels. You don't need a big audience. Micro influencers with 1,000 followers are making money. You can promote gadgets, finance apps, or even digital tools. For example, you make a short video explaining how you save $50 a week using a finance app. You upload your affiliate link and get paid by sign up or purchase. I don't know the creators and people that you should do this and it makes a lot of money for them. A friend of mine called Bob told me about this. The guy would make even $150 in like 3 days. The guy was doing well, was doing fine, and it was just a side gig to him. Because of the side, he also had a YouTube channel. I won't really go deeply into what his YouTube channel is about, But yeah, the guy was making good work every week, making good money, and even the money he moved cash. So yeah, follow, just build trust, focus on one niche like finance, productivity, or health, and post daily, that's just my tip. Use trending sounds and add real value. It builds trust and keeps conversation. As we say, people buy trust and clarity, not just information. Let's go to the next one. The fifth and final one, we can talk about the remote jobs and upskilling. What I mean by this? Many global companies are hiring remote, and the pay is very competitive. Take virtual assistants, customer service, digital marketing, or tech support. If you're upskilled with free tools like Coursera or Google certificates, you can learn remote roles, paying around 1,500 to 30,000 per month, all from your laptop. Maybe I've had people in my friend called Bob, the guy was making around 30K, $30,000 monthly just doing this one. With this, you can get a house, you can do whatever you want. This is not enough to prove your reason on this kind of money. And then, the tip that I can give you is build a strong LinkedIn profile, post your project, and visit recruiters directly. Networking online is your new resume. Okay. So all those tips that I've given you are very important and are very nice in making using the Fiverr to make money. Fiverr is all about freelancing using AI, content creation, and YouTube automation, digital products and e-courses, TikTok and Instagram reels, affiliate marketing, and finally remote work and skill upgrading. So these are my top 5 ways to make money fast in 2025. Freelancing in the AI, content creation, digital products, affiliate marketing, and remote jobs. Remember, it's not about being modified, it's about picking one and staying consistent. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment if you want you understand this week, and subscribe for more weekly money guides here on Citrus Games. Until next time, stay fresh, stay zesty, and keep your finances juicy.